Hi, thank you for joining me. All right, how is ASL, excuse me, different from English? And it's basically very simple. Topic comes first. ASL introduces topic before giving information about the topic. And here are some examples. In English, you would say, I am going to the store. But in ASL, it is store, going, I. No am, no is, was, it's just store, go, I. And also, as far as time, or time is, stuff like that, this usually places at the beginning of when something is going to happen. ASL commonly establishes when something happens before describing the action. And an example is, in English, you would say, I worked yesterday. But in ASL, it is, yesterday, I work. Not, have past tense. I mean, you do say past tense by saying yesterday, but it's just yesterday I worked, and where is it at? Instead of going, I worked yesterday, it just flips it around. And also, articles are often omitted, such as, like I just said, like the words is, am, are, and I have other examples here. Words like is, am, are, or was and were are frequently unnecessary in ASL. For example, in English, you would say she is happy. But in ASL, they say she happy. Simple as that. They keep it simple. They don't complicate things. And also another example, in English you would say the dog is sleeping, and in ASL it's just dog, sleep, which that is for a dog. You snap your fingers and pat your leg, dog, and sleep. And then instead of saying the dog is sleeping, it's just dog, sleep. And that's the difference. It's keeping the is, am, was, are, all that out of the sentence. Let's see. Facial expressions are part of the grammar. For example, like yes and no questions is a raised eyebrow. So when you tell someone yes, you have more of a expression on your face, like yes, almost like excited. And no, it's just, of course, shaking your head no, but no. And questions that start with WH, such as who, what, where, when, why, and how, is a furrowed brow, like who, like you're, almost like you're frowning, but you're going, who, where, and what, or how. So, and the word order can vary. Also another difference between English and ASL. Common ASL patterns include such as topic and comment, is book, book, read, I. Or, like it says, it varies. You could do I read book. Those are two different variations. And for time, in topic comment, tomorrow church we go is tomorrow church we go. Or you could say, a variation is church we go tomorrow. And that's all I have for you today. I know it's kind of short and sweet, but maybe next time, it'll probably be a different topic, but maybe longer. Some of these lessons may also be shorts, like maybe just teaching you how to say one word, like how to say train, or how to say love, and stuff like that. So that'll be some different things on the channel as well, just to let you know going forward. Thanks for joining me. Bye.